everyone, welcome to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to block a number on Zendesk. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to block unwanted callers on your Zendesk account, then it's quite easy. Open up a web browser and log into your Zendesk account first. Here I have my Zendesk account logged in. Make sure that you are inside the main homepage as well. Once you're inside, click on the admin button on the left hand side of the screen and click on Go to Admin Central. From the Admin Central page, click Channels. Now, from the left hand side menu, go to the Talk and Email option and click on Talk. From the top of the screen, click on Blocked Number and now click on Add Number right next to blocked numbers. You can now block a single number on Zendesk or block all the numbers that matches the condition that you are going to enter. From the drop down right next to condition, select equal to and in the phone number, enter the number you'd want to block and click on Save Changes. Then after you do that, you'll be able to block a number successfully on Zendesk. The number you added will be entered in the blocked number list. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.